Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Mark and Mia.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Mia. Today, we have an exciting topic about relationships.
We're going to talk about dating, meeting someone special.
Yes, how to talk about romance and dating in English.
This is A2 to B1 level, perfect for intermediate learners.
By the end, you'll know all the vocabulary you need for dating conversations.
Before we start, please hit that like button.
And subscribe for more relationship and social English lessons.
Okay, let's talk about dating.
Are you ready? Let's go. So, Mark, are you dating anyone right now?
Not at the moment, but I'm open to meeting someone special. What about you?
Actually, I recently started seeing someone. It's still early, but I'm excited.
Friends, let's start with basic dating vocabulary.
Dating means going out with someone romantically.
I'm dating someone, or we're dating.
Going out with someone means the same thing.
I'm going out with Sarah. We're in a relationship.
Seeing someone is more casual, early stages.
I'm seeing someone. We're getting to know each other.
Let's practice, I'm dating someone from work.
Now say, I've been seeing someone for a few weeks.
Perfect. Now let's learn relationship status phrases.
I'm single, not in a relationship.
I'm in a relationship. You have a boyfriend or girlfriend.
I'm taken, casual way to say you're not available.
I'm available. You're single and open to dating.
It's complicated. The relationship is unclear or difficult.
Let's say, I'm single and looking for someone special.
Now say, I'm in a relationship with my partner.
Excellent. What about how you meet someone?
You can say, we met at a party or through friends.
We met online or on a dating app. Very common now.
We matched on Tinder or Bumble, dating apps.
We were set up by friends. Friends introduced you.
We met by chance, unexpectedly.
Let's practice, we met through mutual friends.
Now say, we matched on a dating app.
Great. Now let's talk about first dates.
First date is your first time going out together.
I'm going on a first date tonight. Exciting.
He asked me out. He invited me on a date.
I asked her out. I invited her.
She said yes, or he said no, the response.
Let's say, I'm nervous about my first date.
Now say, I finally asked her out and she said yes.
Perfect. Now let's practice a dating conversation.
Ready? Listen carefully.
Mark, I heard you asked someone out. Tell me everything.
Yeah, her name's Emma. We met at a coffee shop last month.
That's so romantic. How did you approach her?
Well, I saw her reading my favorite book, so I started a conversation about it.
Smooth. So when's your first date?
This Saturday, we're going to dinner and then maybe a movie.
Classic first date. Are you nervous?
A little. I really like her. I hope it goes well.
Just be yourself. You've got this. What do you like about her?
She's smart, funny, and we have so much in common. I feel like we really connected.
That's wonderful. I'm excited for you.
Did you understand? Let's listen again.
You asked someone out. Tell me.
Her name's Emma. We met at a coffee shop last month.
That's so romantic. How did you approach her?
Well, I saw her reading my favorite book, so I started a conversation about it.
When's your first date?
Saturday. Dinner and then maybe a movie.
Are you nervous?
A little. I really like her. I hope it goes well.
What do you like about her?
She's smart, funny, and we have so much in common. I feel like we really connected. See? Natural dating conversation.
Now let's learn about attraction.
I'm attracted to her. You feel romantic interest.
I have a crush on him. You like someone romantically.
I have feelings for her. Emotional attraction.
There's chemistry between us. Natural connection.
We clicked. We connected immediately.
Let's practice, I'm really attracted to him.
Now say, there's definitely chemistry between us.
Excellent. What about compliments?
You look beautiful tonight, or you look handsome.
You love your smile, or your eyes are amazing.
You're so interesting to talk to.
I really enjoy spending time with you.
Let's say, you look stunning tonight.
Now say, I love your sense of humor.
Great. What about moving forward?
How's it going? Asking about the relationship.
Things are going really well.
We're taking it slow, not rushing.
We're making it official, becoming an official couple.
Will you be my girlfriend or boyfriend?
Let's practice we're taking things slow for now.
Now say, I want to make it official with her.
Perfect. What about relationship stages?
We're getting to know each other, learning about each other.
We're exclusive now, only dating each other.
We're serious, committed relationship.
We're in love, deep feelings.
Let's say we've been exclusive for 3 months.
Now say, I think I'm falling in love with him.
Wonderful. What about date activities?
Let's grab dinner, have a meal together.
Want to see a movie? Go to the cinema.
How about coffee? Casual date.
Let's go for a walk. Simple and romantic.
Let's say, let's go for a walk in the park.
Now say, let's go for a walk in the park.
Great. What about expressing interest?
I'd love to see you again. Want another date?
Can I get your number? Asking for contact.
I had a great time tonight.
When can I see you again?
Let's say, I'd love to take you out again.
Now say, I had an amazing time with you tonight. Perfect. What about if things don't work out?
It's not working out. The relationship isn't good.
I don't think we're compatible. Not a good match.
I think we should just be friends. Ending romance.
It's not you, it's me. Classic breakup line.
Let's practice, I don't think we're right for each other.
Sensitive topic, but important to know.
Yes, what about red flags?
Red flag means a warning sign.
That's a red flag, concerning behavior.
Trust your gut. Follow your instincts.
Take your time, don't rush.
Let's say if someone doesn't respect you, that's a red flag.
Perfect. What about modern dating?
Swipe right. Like someone on dating apps.
Swipe left, reject someone.
Online dating, meeting through the internet.
Long-distance relationship, partners live far apart.
Let's practice I'm trying online dating for the first time.
Now say, we're in a long-distance relationship.
Excellent. What about talking to friends?
I met someone. Exciting announcement.
I need dating advice, asking for help.
Should I text him first? Common question.
How do I know if she likes me?
Let's say, I met someone special and I'm really happy.
Perfect. Let's review everything.
Basic terms, dating, going out, seeing someone, single, in a relationship.
Meeting, met online, through friends, by chance, on dating app.
First dates, asked out, first date, said yes or no.
Attraction, attracted to, crush on, feelings for, chemistry, clicked.
Moving forward, taking it slow, exclusive, serious, in love.
Activities, grab dinner, see a movie, coffee, walk.
You can talk about dating naturally now.
Okay, friends, time for our recap.
Today we learned how to talk about dating in English.
We learned basic dating vocabulary and relationship status.
We learned how to talk about meeting someone and first dates.
We learned about attraction, compliments, and expressing interest.
We learned relationship stages and date activities.
And modern dating terms like online dating and apps.
Now you can discuss romance and relationships confidently.
Time for our community question.
Here it is. What do you think makes a perfect first date? Share your ideas.
Yes, tell us in the comments. A perfect first date would be...
For example, a perfect first date would be coffee in a cozy cafe where we can talk and get to know each other.
We want to hear your dating ideas.
Bonus question, are you more traditional or modern when it comes to dating?
Do you prefer meeting in person or online? Tell us.
Every comment is practice.
We're so proud of you for learning today.
Dating vocabulary is so useful for social situations.
Whether you're dating or just want to understand dating conversations.
This vocabulary helps you connect with others.
Before we go, please like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Happy dating.
Bye. Be yourself and have fun.